Every new vehicle, every new depot, and every state your fleet operates in adds another layer of compliance. If your records are still spread across different systems, those small gaps can quickly become expensive ones. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways growing fleets stay compliant across multiple states without drowning in paperwork. How to keep compliance consistent across multiple state lines. Let's start with the foundation. Federal FMCSA regulations provide the baseline that every interstate fleet must follow. But operating across multiple states often means dealing with additional state-specific requirements or different enforcement priorities. The challenge usually isn't that fleet managers don't know the rules. It's that different terminals or depots end up following different processes, creating inconsistencies that can lead to compliance gaps. The first step is creating one consistent compliance process that every depot follows, no matter where your vehicles operate. How to stop compliance records from becoming scattered. As fleets grow, information naturally starts spreading across different places. Maintenance records might live in one system, inspection reports somewhere else, driver qualification files in another, and regional teams often rely on their own spreadsheets. Individually, these records aren't the problem. The risk comes when they're disconnected, making it difficult to find complete information during an inspection or audit. Instead of organizing records by location, organize them around each vehicle. When maintenance history, inspections, driver information, and compliance documents are centralized, everyone is working from the same source of truth. How enterprise fleets stay audit ready. The most successful fleets don't wait until an audit is scheduled. They stay prepared every day. That means using reminders so important deadlines aren't missed. Keeping inspections centralized and easy to access. Maintaining a complete maintenance history for every vehicle. Storing documentation digitally instead of relying on paper records. And giving fleet managers complete visibility across every vehicle and every location. This is exactly why many growing fleets move to a centralized platform like SimplyFleet. When everything is connected in one place, staying compliant becomes part of your daily workflow instead of a last-minute scramble before an audit.